This is short review of Rahu and Ketu, Moon's Nodes in Predictive Astrology by Manik Chand Jainji. Smallest sized book I have ever read. On the contrary, it is filled with such heavy content. It's a 1 out of the 100 astrology book reviews I am presenting. Watch detailed book review of this one and other books on my other channel. My purpose of making these book reviews is to guide students so that they can invest their energies in right books. This book comprises of 18 chapters. Introduction says all about the structure of both the malefics, how they create fog in our lives. North Node Rahu is exalted in Gemini, rules Virgo, falls in Sagittarius, and in harmony in Libra. South Node Ketu is just opposite of that. Second comes the place of node in Hindu mythology stories. Brief explanation of origin of Rahu and Ketu. A mythology story which narrates nectar churning, demon Swarabhanu who consumed nectar, then caught by sun and moon, and the role of Lord Vishnu came in front. Equally popular, another story which declares both the shadow planets as serpent. Next chapter covers Western thought process about both of these. Then comes true conception of Rahu and Ketu. It says in chapter number 4 that Rahu Ketu does not possess any mass. It simply means that these are imaginary points and are creating electromagnetic forces. They represent the crossroads on the field of the path of Earth and Moon. Chapter 5 explains their placement in every house, and next, the results of placement in signs. Aspects of nodes are workable up to 10 degrees orb. Conjunction makes chapter 7 along with all the planets. Oppositions, squares, trines, sextiles are explained briefly. Seriously, a wonderful book to grab. In next lesson, we will get to know few more important points to follow for predictive astrology. This one shall be the star chapter of the book. It's up till chapter 8. From here, the Vinchotri Dasha will catch up. Next is how Rahu and Ketu are able to corrupt all the other planets. Read brilliant notes made on this topic on AarchKrishna blogger. Another chapter will cover Vinchotri Dasha, main period as well as sub-periods. Then transits through all the houses. Chapter 11 talks about aspects, whereas there are many scholars who don't agree to this, that Rahu Ketu even have any aspects. 12th is again a star one. Shows us results of transiting planets along with node, with conjunctions. Chapter 13 is about the dreaded evil yoga named Kalsar, having major significance in mundane astrology. You will get a nice and brief explanation. Another dreaded situation is formed as eclipse. It is put forth in chapter 14, and 15 takes up female horoscopy. Get the notes of both these chapters from AarchKrishna blogger. On winding up, we'll see few horoscopes of famous personalities and details of Rahu Ketu's performances in their life. Students, I am always there to help you. To take my guidance, you can connect with me through mails. Invest your energies wisely and study smart. Be successful. Thank you.